Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Make sure you can sign into both Google and Twitter. Once done, open Twitter settings on your phone or desktop, navigate to Account, then to Apps and Sessions. You want to grant permission deliberately, so pause and confirm which Google data you will share. If two-factor authentication is on, have your method ready. This upfront check prevents interruptions and explains why permissions matter. Control over contacts, calendar sync, or single sign-on depends on choices you make now. Next, you move through the authorization flow. On Twitter, choose Connect to Google and select the Google account you want linked. Make sure to read the permission list. Twitter will request scopes such as profile info, email, or contacts. Grant only what you need. This limits data sharing. After you tap Allow, Twitter receives an authentication token that securely links accounts. If you use a browser, allow pop-ups. If using mobile, follow the in-app prompt. This step completes the secure handshake between services. Finally, confirm the connection by checking Twitter account settings for Google listed under Connected Accounts. Try a quick action, import a contact, or use Sign In with Google to validate functionality. If something fails, clear your browser cache and cookies, then retry. Make sure pop-ups are allowed. You can always remove access from Google account security settings and reauthorize if tokens expire. One troubleshooting tip: if authorization repeatedly fails, sign out of both apps and sign back in before attempting the flow again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.